Hi, I am Revathi. I'm working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today, we are going to discuss the topic about TCP and UDP. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol. UDP means User Datagram Protocol. In the world of technology, a user is free to choose the Internet protocol in order to tackle or manage the server traffic. With the increase in the usage of technology, everyone has become fully dependent on the tech world. None is ready to compromise with the network. Servers and data protocols, as this might affect the work balance and lives as well. Similarly, in order to control and access Internet protocol traffic, one is free to choose the right protocol for him or her depending upon his or her usage. The two major and important Internet protocols are TCP and UDP. Does Netflix uses TCP or UDP? Netflix uses TCP because TCP is much time sensitive and does not require port forwarding. It helps to enable the full bandwidth of the network. We can compress more data at once in TCP, and also reloaded data packets do not pose a problem. It also ensures high video quality and fewer network congestion problems. Does YouTube use TCP or UDP? YouTube primarily uses TCP for its video streaming service. What is UDP used for today? User Datagram Protocol is a communication protocol for time-sensitive applications like gaming, playing videos, or domain name system lookups. UDP results in speeder communication because it does not spend time forming a firm connection with the destination before transferring the data. Now, students are going to discuss about TCP and UDP.
Hello everyone, we are here to share a few information on TCP and UDP protocols. First, I would like to introduce my teammates to you. Myself, Kavya, Urchana, Indumati, Gayatri, Hema, and Arvika. The main difference between TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, and UDP, User Datagram Protocol, is that TCP is a connection-based protocol and UDP is a connectionless protocol. While TCP is more reliable, it transfers data more slowly. UDP is less reliable but works more quickly. This makes each protocol suited to different types of data transfers. Protocols are rules that govern how data is formatted and sent over a network. TCP and UDP are two different methods for doing the same job, transferring data via internet, and they enable servers and devices to communicate so you can send emails, watch Netflix, play games, and browse websites. TCP creates a secure communication line to ensure the reliable transmission of all data. Once a message is sent, the receipt is verified to make sure all the data was transferred. UDP does not establish a connection when sending a data. It sends data without confirming receipt or checking for errors. That means some or all of the data may be lost during transmission.
Which protocol is better, TCP or UDP? It depends on what you are doing online and the type of data being transferred. UDP is better if you are gaming online because its speedy data transfer allows for mostly lag-free gaming. TCP is better if you are transferring files like family photos because it ensures the data arrives exactly as it was sent. Overall, TCP and UDP are both useful protocols, so to think in terms of TCP versus UDP is a bit misleading. But depending on the type of data transfer, TCP or UDP might be better for the job. Here are some examples. TCP is best for email or texting, file transfer, web browsing. UDP is best for live streaming, online gaming, and video chat. Advantages of TCP. It set up and maintenance a connection between sender and the receiver. It supports many routing protocol. Disadvantages of TCP. Use more than bandwidth and is slower than UDP. You cannot multicast and broadcast. Application of TCP. Email and text messaging, streaming pre-recorded content on sites like Netflix, HBO Max, transferring files between apps and devices, general web browsing, remote devices or network administration. Advantages of UDP. UDP delivers data rapidly and it does not slow down or turn back to recollect lost data. No connection is needed to send or receive data, so apps and operating systems go faster. It ensures packet RAS delivering data even if it is incomplete. Smaller packet size and less overhead reduce end-to-end delay. UDP communication is more efficient. It can transmit live and real-time data. Disadvantage of UDP, it's connectionless, which makes data transfer unreliable. There is no system in place to acknowledge a successful data transfer. It has no error control, so it drops packets when errors are detected. Application of UDP. Online gaming, multicasting, video chatting or conferencing, VoIP in-app voice calling, domain name system which transfers domain name into IP address. Thank you.